Alright, we're live. Here we go. Let's get it. We're live on X. We are live on YouTube. We are live on Twitch. Let's get it, baby. We are going to replit.com at Papa the King. Anybody on the stream is a Papa the fan, get at me. Alright. Oh, you can install the desktop version of Replit? Maybe I should do that. That sounds kind of nice. Get a little code editor in there, go dark mode. Interesting. They have a different version for the Intel Mac chip versus the Apple Silicon chip. I don't know why I clicked that. I don't have this. I don't have the Apple Silicon one. Nice. I'll do this later. It's gonna overload my computer. Great to know that this exists. Great to know that we're live on YouTube with 0 views. Great to know that we're live on X. No idea how many views. I will go ahead and assume 0. Let's go to replit.com and let's go home. Alright, so we are on day 10. I don't know how many days I've been streaming. Probably closer to like 13, 14, I don't know. But this is day 10 for all labeling purposes. Alright, here we go. So what we've been working on is a Price Calc Pro. This is an options calculator for trading options contracts on stocks, on equities. So we started, I don't know, 3 days ago on this, 4 days ago on this, something like that. And now we are going to continue building. Before we do that, here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to Replit, learn, and jump back into the 100 Days of Code, the complete Python course. Alright, let's go. I'm on a 2-day coding streak. Come on. No, I'm not. It's got to be higher than that. I did like 23 days in... Actually, way longer than 23 days because it's on my Twitter somewhere that I tweeted out like I'm gonna do 100 days of code, and that was like early August. So turns out that I am behind the times. When did I tweet that out? I've been tweeting more recently. Tweeting a lot of dumb stuff here. Okay, here we go. August 6th. Boom. Okay. This is the thing that prompted my journey. Alright, I'm going to call it right here on this live stream. How many minutes in are we? We are 3 minutes, 55 seconds in. I'm going to do it right at 4 minutes. I'm calling it right now, 4 minutes into this live stream. Day 10 on YouTube. I started my journey 100 Days of Code because of this tweet on August 2nd. On August 6th, I decided I'm signing up for the Replit 100 Days of Python Challenge. Right now, it is probably 50 days after that, and I'm only 23 days through. But I'm going to play catch up, and I'm going to finish all 100 days by the end of this month. So in 6 days. So I need to do about 9 days a day. Okay, maybe that's unrealistic. Maybe I'll do 100 days by next month. Alright, that's fair. Okay. Then I'm going to build my own app. And I'm going to go #1 on the App Store as a result of this learning journey. I'm calling my shot right now. Let's go, baby. All right, and the way we're gonna do that is we're gonna start day 24. All right, here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Day 24, 100 days of code, baby. All right, let's go. Parameters. So far, subroutines have been a bit underwhelming. Put in a better use by sending them information using parameters and making them do different things based on different inputs. If you change the ingredients in a recipe, you get a different kind of cake. Okay. It's an interesting way of explaining a function, but let's do it. Okay. In a subroutine, the parentheses are for the argument. Okay. FYI, argument is another word for parameter. Okay, great. These are the pieces of information we pass to the code. Okay, great. These can be the variable names that are made up for the first time within the argument. Okay, so you make up the words, but you can keep using those words over and over in the code. Here's a simple subroutine that uses the argument to take in the name of an ingredient and expresses its opinion quite strongly about the ingredient. Okay, try it out. Okay, define which cake ingredient. If ingredient equals chocolate, print chocolate's amazing. If it's broccoli, you what, mate? Else, yeah, that's great, I suppose. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it just defines it, right? All right, so here we have to do. No, dude, no. I don't want to do which cake chocolate. I want to do. What do I want to do? I want to do. User equals input. What is your favorite cake? Which cake? User. Boom. See, now that's a little bit more interesting, right? What's your favorite cake? Nada. Yeah, that's great, I suppose. Nice. Okay, cool. So it's working as we expected. Oh, but how do we call it? So it's doing it in the next one. How do we call the subroutine? Instead of the parentheses being blank, we add in the arguments. Alright. Great. Which cake? Chocolate. Okay. What's your favorite cake? Chalky. Chocolate's amazing. And then it's going to print it again because I put this line in here. And then if you put chocolate in there, it's going to run this if statement. And that's true, so it's going to print out this line right here. Boom. Okay. Great, guys. Okay. Oh, wait. Here it's asking me what happens if you change it to broccoli. It's going to say, you what, mate? I. Let's do double broccoli. Broccoli. You what, mate? You what, mate? Nothing like a good coffee. Okay. What if I do the Ask AI? What's it going to do? Running the code and my project results in the following. Sure, let's break down what might be causing peculiar output. There's no peculiar output. I just want to know what's happening in the code. Stop. I don't want to see this. Okay. We're good. Keep moving, baby. Okay. Adding more arguments. We can have as many as we want, separated by commas. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay, so here it's going to ask the user just the way I asked it, but it's going to do like basically you would just take this line and do, instead of user, you could just do ingredient equals input. Stop. Equals input, what is your favorite cake? And then you don't need to do this right here. What if you just remove this whole thing, right? You can just ask it inside. Which cake? What's your favorite cake? chocolate. Hey, and then run it again. You get broccoli. Hey, and then if you say anything else, okay, cool, nice. All right, so, okay. Um, okay. Okay, so this is now just doing the exact same thing that I had done in the first one. Like before I made all these changes, this is exactly what we had right here, right? Right. User equals input, name and ingredient, what's your favorite cake, same exact thing. Boom. Okay. Cool. We can add more arguments. That's great. All right, let's delete all this now. Oh. There we go. Copy each code snippet below into main.py by clicking the copy icon in the top right. Okay. Invalid syntax. Let's try to figure this out. Okay. Define bigger number, number one, number two. First, we need a comma. Don't mess that up. If number one is greater than number two, print number one is bigger. Okay, we need no space there. Else print number two is bigger. I mean, L if number two is greater than number one. Because you could have the case that they are the exact same. Boom. There we go. Boom. There we go. Alright, mate. 332 is bigger. Okay, fantastic. Okay. Okay, there we go. Fix my code. I'll fix your code, dude. Alright, define pizza order. Topping 1, comma, topping 2. If topping 1 is equals pepperoni, print pepperoni is a great choice. Okay. Else, print this is kind of lame on pizza. Okay, fine. We got a hater over here. Okay, and then print this sounds delicious, much better than blank. Okay. But do you want to indent it also, or what? Need a quick little comma here. Okay. Topping 1 equals input name and pizza topping. Topping 2 equals input name and pizza topping. Pizza topping. Hey. Okay. Alright. That should run. Nada. Cheese. Nada is kind of lame on pizza. Cheese sounds delicious. Much better than nada. Alright, well, let's take this outside of the else. We'll print this no matter what. Pepperoni. Name a second, nada. Pepperoni is a great choice. Okay. Okay, looks like it's the exact same. Cool. Okay, let's create an infinity dice. Interesting. Create subroutines that will roll dice with any number of sides, essentially as big of a number as you like. Write one subroutine with one parameter that allows us to call a function since you roll dice. Okay. Alright, okay. Define roll. Sides. Right. Oh yeah, I need to import random. Well, thanks for telling me that, dude. result. Okay, results equals random dot rand int 1 sides. But do you want to do sides plus 1, maybe? I don't know. Rand int. Reslut? Nope. Okay. So I think here you would say return result, but I don't know if we know the idea of result, yet, you know. Print you rolled plus result. Okay, there we go. No return function still. Okay. Oopsies. Okay. There we go. Alright, now we're good here. Alright, now I want to do while true. I want to do roll int input how many sides. Boom. Wow. Stop being so nice, man. Come on. Again equals input roll again. If again equals yes. Continue. Nope, not case. Continue. Else break. How many sides? 23. You rolled 4. Roll again. No. Okay. How many sides? 12. We rolled 2. Roll again? Yes. How many sides? 28 or 20. Sure. Yes. Too many dashes. Damn. Alright, well that killed it. Okay, cool, we got it. Nice. Import random, define roll. Sides equals how many sides? Interesting. While play game equals yes. Huh. Oh, so it just asks again. And then whenever it changes to no or to anything except yes, it will just end. Okay, fair. So if you see the difference here, my while variable has while true, and then it has the if statement to check should it keep going, whereas the answer that it gave me, it has a variable that it created in the beginning, then it just keeps updating that variable inside the while loop. When it results something that is not yes, it will exit out. Alright, cool. Realistically, I think mine was, okay, yeah, it is. Mine was 12 lines, the computer had 10, or, no. Mine is 14 lines, computer has 12. Okay. Oh no, I only have 10 lines. No, I have 11. Alright, whatever, it really doesn't matter. I think they're about the same. Great, congrats, thank you. Alright, let's do one more day. Send it back. Alright, mate. Return command. Alright. Let's go deeper into subroutines. Can they send information back to the main part of the program? Interesting idea here. The return command sends some information back to the part of the code that called it. That means this function call is replaced with whatever was returned. Interesting. We saw this before with importing libraries and random numbers. We could use the random number wherever we wanted. Okay. Pin picker. Random number for us. Has the parameter called number. There's a string called pin. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, define pin picker number, import random, pin is empty. For I in range number, pin plus equals string random dot int 0 through 9. Okay, so it's just gonna concatenate a bunch of random numbers between, like, random digits. Okay. I guess not necessarily digits, but yeah. Okay, so let's just see what happens here. Pin picker 4. Okay. Print. Yeah, let's just print this out. Print pin picker 4, 2295. Okay. So the number is 4. So for I in range 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Pin plus equals a string of a random int from 0 through 9. Okay, so it'll go through 4 times and just give us a random thing 4 different times. That's it. And it's returning pin, so it's basically just adding random numbers back and forth. That's it. Alright. If we do it again, there should be 4 different random numbers. Nice. Alright, cool. Nothing happens. Why? Because it's being called. You haven't told the computer to do anything with it. Okay. Alright. Nice. Alright, nothing is happening. Alright, define area, triangle, base, height, area equals half base times height, return area, okay. It's returning, but once again, it is not printing. So you can print if you want. Right. There we go. Nice print area. There we go. Why is it saying area is not defined? Let's see. Okay. Because we did not define it outside, right? So we have to do it here. Boom. Alright, fix my code. Wow, it is so hot in this little co-working space I'm working in. I'm boiling in here, boys and girls. I don't know what happened. It was mad cold not too long ago. Okay. But I'll bear through and sweat it out for all of you. Okay. Alright, define area square, side 1, side 2. Area equals side 1 times side 2. Oh, no comma. That should fix most. Return area square. What? No, just return area. Okay. So, there we go. Let's define it. Should say 48. There we go. Nice. There we are, friends. Okay. Let's extend Day 24's project and create a health state generator for a character in a video game. Okay, so here we need okay, let's see what's going on here. Name your warrior. Okay. Alright, fine. Okay, first let's import random. Define role. Now, should role take any number? Yes, it should. Okay. Now, yeah, we just return a random number, right? Return int random.randint 1 through number. Should it be number plus 1? I think it should, right? Okay. Now you do... Okay. I'm not defining anything called roll many, my friend. We're going to play a little game here. Okay, we'll do a little while loop here, while true. Sure, print character stats, generator name equals input, name your warrior, right? Then we are going to do, you know what, I want to do it in one line. Let's see if I can do it in one line. No. I'm going to do print. Their health is, boom, roll 6 times roll 8. Boom, bitch. Let's go. I don't need this. And I want to put this in its own parentheses. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, I need one more of these here. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Now we're good. Okay. Again equals input. We just generate another character. If again equals yes, continue. Else exit or break. Boom. Okay. Now let's see if that runs. Name your character Agnes. Their health is 18. Yes, I would. Agnes. Their health is 28. Okay, great. New. Oh no. Oh. Alright, cool. So it works as we want. Nice. Great. Alright, go you. Tell us what we think with this short survey. No, thank you. Okay. Okay, import random, define role, results equals random dot this. Okay, sure. Alright. Define role 6 and 8. Interesting. Okay, so it's just doing two calls of the role within each other, right? I mean, I don't need all that shit. Okay. It's doing this thing for the while loops where it sets the variable as yes beforehand, and then it checks that it's continuously just yes, and then it gives you the option to replace this variable from yes to something else. And if you do that, then it'll exit the loop. Okay. Nice. Alright, cool. That is enough for today. Let's go back and continue on our project. Oh my god, it is seriously so hot in here. I can barely function. This is disgusting stuff. I gotta be real, I don't know how much I can last in this weather. Okay, let's go to Price Calc Pro. I am absolutely not ready to share this with the world, my friend. Let's run. Okay, this is a development server, not a production one. Okie dokie, here's my web view. Okay, now let's get some new data so we can mess around here. Yahoo Finance. Some of the stocks I've been interested in lately are Bitcoin mining stocks. Alright, so yeah, I want to get some data on miners. Alright, so let's look at IREN. I like this ticker. EREN, Iris Energy Limited. Okay. Now let's go to options. Alright. Let's go to... I mean, I wonder how liquid these are, right? Or how e-liquid, I should say, but let's see. You can get some May 2025s. Those look pretty interesting. Not much here. I mean, a little bit of volume here, but, you know. Nothing crazy, but anyways, let's now copy this into our charts. Alright. Basically, all I have is like last price, strike. That's all that matters here. Last price and strike. That's all it's going off of. IV is quite high, but not that relevant for us. I mean, volatility is kind of high in general. So, I mean, I guess that's kind of valuable. Stop. I don't want that. I want to download the actual, or I want to open the actual CSV. Okay, cool. Let's forget all these things here, and let's paste in. Okay, fine. Come on, my man. Alright. So, oh, interesting. It didn't quite line up. Okay, we need the data to line up. Okay, IREN. Ah. Okay, IREN. Iris Energy. Okay. Let's copy this in. Let's copy this in. Let's delete all these. Right. Ah, no. Let's now. Okay. So that's the strike and that's the option price, right? Yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay, what is the stock price? 8 point. Let's see. Iris is 8 point. 8.98. Okay. There we go. Right. Something tells me these are kind of undervalued, but it is what it is once again. Okay, and we're going to delete all this stuff. This is bid ask. Okay, the bid asks are kind of interesting because they're not that wide. I don't see that much trading volume here, but the bid asks seem pretty pretty reasonable. Okay, so now let's go. Expiry date is 05/25/2025. Keep that format, please. Okay, let's delete all these extra rows we don't need. Let's save as IREN trial 1. Okay, cool. Now let's go into this thing. Okay. Alright. Oh, come on, dude. Oh, yeah. Oops. 05. Okay. Nope. Don't do that to me, my friend. I need the format to be exact. Alright. Okay, so the real goal here for today is to be able to turn this into like or well at some point, I don't know about today or like right now, but is to be able to turn this into something that's actually useful. What? Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my goodness. Dude, you're joking. Wait. What? No way. Oh. Alright, so it's just not reading this data properly. Oh. Come on, man. I just fixed it. Okay. Replace. 05. What's the deal here? No, that's not what I want. I want my other file, not this one. Okay. Yeah, no, this is not the file that I want to mess with. I want the other file. Maybe I just got the formatting wrong again. It's possible. Like, what? Come on, man. You can't be serious. I don't want the coin one, though. I want Iren, my friend. Mother of God. What's going on here? Uh, 1701.25. Are you fucking kidding me? No, that's not at all what. No, dog. Are you serious right now? Data. Sure. Boom. Format cells. English. America. I don't know. English UK. Sure. No. Like this. Okay. Dude, you can't be giving me this bullshit here. Okay. Alright. File. Save as. Comma separated value. Trial 2. Alright. Trial 2. Are you fucking serious right now? Invalid date format. Please use this, this, and this. Dude, what does this look like to you? Okay. I'm gonna have to delete this. Expiry date. Okay. May 15th, 2025. Okay. Like, I don't know exactly how this is supposed to look, right? English, US, maybe? Come on, man. Okay. Nope, that's definitely not it. Come on, dude, are you fucking stupid? Alright, I should probably stop cursing. In case my mom watches this. Dude. But be serious right now. Like, this is a joke. Yeah, I mean, clearly not, no. Like, this is not how it should look. Are you stupid? Are you actually stupid? What is going on here? Like, actually, what's going on here? Alright. Let's just go to Google Drive. I cannot believe this. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, come on. This is unbelievable stuff what's happening right now. Can we maybe paste these values from this sheet to this sheet? Is that possible? Okay, stock ticker strikes, stock price, option type. Format, or no, this is data. What am I doing here? How do I make this not this format? There's a date thing somewhere, right? More formats, date. More formats, like custom date and time. Okay. Year, month, date. Right? Okay, let's see if this actually. Oh my lord, what just happened? Okay. Whew, this has been quite a journey here, folks. Just to get some sample data. Let's see. If this doesn't work, I might lose it kind of hard here, unfortunately. Okay, there we go. Hey, was that so tough, my friend? It actually worked. Nice. Okay. Cool. Now let's say the stock goes to 20. Right? Okay. Interesting. 12, 16, 14, all relatively undervalued. So if the stock doubles, right, or like a little more than doubles, you're seeing 500% gain. If the stock goes to 30, you're seeing, good gains here. Nice. Kind of makes sense. Interesting that these are not giving you the best return. But also, like, it says current option price, right? Like 120, 128. Like, these are almost the exact same. That could just be a bid-ask spread situation, yeah. Like 128, 125 versus 120 and 170. So, this is not real data that you can act upon, but it is something that you see here. Okay. Cool. Good. At least we know that it's working. So that's nice. Okay, so now. Good. Now. Okay, so how do I directly go from this, what I have here, to turning this into a Google Sheet. So here's the thing. Now I want to save it at least at this point so I can roll back to here anytime I want to. Is there any way to turn this into a Google Chrome extension? Ah, shoot. I was going to ask it. I want to be able to automatically read the data on the screen and process it and do it that way. That was the goal.
namesake.
Let's see how it can do this, because I don't know how it can do this. Wow, I wonder if this is actually gonna just do it or what. Interesting. Created some icon.pngs. Um, I don't know if this is a Google Chrome extension. How is this a Chrome extension? Yes, propose the plan. Okay, so if you didn't read that, it basically just said we have some files necessary for a Chrome extension, but this is still a Flask web app. But it can make the plan. So I wanted to propose the plan. Mainly, I want to accomplish the following with a Chrome extension versus the Flask app. The Chrome extension will only work when the user is on the Yahoo Finance options page for a specific stock. The extension will then read the data on the options table and use that as the input data along with the implied volatilities listed as the source data to perform the same calculations and create the same models we are using now. All right. let's create a content script that can scrape options data from Yahoo Finance pages. Fantastic. Alright. It's editing manifest.json. Editing background.json. Okay, so it's saying it created a content script. Let's ask it, how do I run? How do I run the content script to scrape options data from Yahoo Finance? Okay, so okay, interesting. So it's telling me I install the Chrome extension. Okay, so I install the Chrome extension, navigate to this page. So it can browse the web because this is the right page to get the options table. Then click Scrape Options Data button to trigger the scraping process. The scraped data will be saved in the extension's local storage. Open the extension pop-up by clicking the extension icon in your browser. Okay, I see. Cool. So, how do I install the extension? Okay, interesting. Now, let's see here. So, okay, so I know about developer mode. Click on the load unpacked button. Okay, sure. Navigate to the directory where you have saved the extension files. Okay, manifest.json, popup.html, popup.js, background.js, content.js, and icon files. The icon files have nothing in them. This is manifest.json. Okay. Can I just download this file? Okay, so I can download that. Okay, fine. Let's try. Let's see what's going on here. Let's just see what's going on here. Okay, let's download all the icon files. We got popup.html, manifest.json, right? The icon files. Now we need popup.js. Okay. Now we need background.js. Now we need content.js. Okay. Right. Okay. Now we need to go into Finder. We need to create a new folder. Yeah, we need to create a new folder here. And then yeah. And then I think we can zip it and then upload it. I don't know if we need to zip it necessarily. But yeah, we'll do something like that. Extension. Oh no, don't open it like that, bro. Okay. These are all the files that we want to take into the extension. Alright. Okay. Okay, now we go to Chrome extensions. Right. Got it. Now we go to developer mode toggled on, load unpacked, desktop, extension. Okay, so it says there are errors in here. Okay, so here we see this error. Alright, okay. Okay, here we go. Boom. Manifest version 2.0 is deprecated and support will be removed here. Okay, cool. Now let's see what it says when I establish that. Right? Right, okay. Now we have this extension. Options pricing calculator. Okay, cool. Little puzzle thing here. Use scraped data. Okay, cool. Okay, well, the extension actually looks like an extension. That's pretty cool, right? We can still upload files if we want to. It looks a little weird in the UI if we do that, but it's still... Okay, here's Iris Energy. Use scraped data. Please scrape data from Yahoo Finance first. Okay. So... Okay, so in the extension, I don't see a button to actually scrape the data. I only see a... Yeah, I only see a way to use the scraped data, but not actually scrape more data, you know. Okay. Also, it seems like... You know, some of this stuff is not necessarily working. The file upload is not necessarily working. which is, I mean, it's fine. It's fine. I was not expecting everything will work on the first try. Okay, the Chrome extension updated to version 3. Okay. Alright, so now we are gonna need to go back to extensions here. Okay, manage extensions, remove, extension, delete every file. Alright, now we can go back in here, re-download every file. Really would be nice if there was a playground to be able to test this stuff in. But, you know, I might be a little asking for a lot. I don't know if I need the CSS file. I doubt it does anything, but I'm just going to throw it in there. Extension, here we go. 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 Okay. Load unpacked. My dude is unpacked. Okay. I don't see errors now. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. It's activated. Okay. Now, let's see. Use scraped data. Okay. I mean, this looks way nicer. Alright, okay. Error parsing file. Field variations is not defined. What the fuck? There's no field variations bullshit in my thing. Alright. Okay. Should I just make this a cursing friendly stream? Alright, well, anyways, so let's go ahead and tell it that literally nothing is working in the extension. Let's go ahead and tell it that. Oh, no scraped data available. Okay. Okay, so not this. No. Not good. Not working. Let's modify the extension. And only the extension to not allow for file upload and only scrape data from Yahoo Finance to options pages. Okay. All right. Okie dokie. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. I don't know about plan completed and all this stuff, my dude. But we can try. Okay. What's the vibe here? Can we download all the zip? Yeah, sure. Okay. I probably don't need all these files, but will it hurt? Also, it won't download, so not that it matters. Alright. How about we go ahead and stop that, my dude? Okay. Download a zip. Again. Hurry up. Brrr. Nothing. God, come on, man. You're joking, right? Is it really gonna make me do it one by one again? Fine. And I will do it. Don't you discount how committed I am to this Chrome extension. Okay, if it doesn't work, I will actually ask you one more time to clarify what files I need to throw in there, right? So let's keep the little image ones, but let's throw away the rest. Let's throw in these ones we just made. Okay. Same thing, remove this damn extension. Oh, hold on. What error did we just get? Error parsing file and refuse to get this. Alright, well, let's tell it that we got some errors. Okay, and then the second one was refuse to load. Okay. And then also the same thing, stack trace. Yeah, okay, cool. Error. Alright, let's give it some errors. Fix Chrome extension errors and improve functionality, yes. Mm-hmm. Alright. We are still waiting. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Did we manage to fix the Chrome extension issues that we wanted, mate? Let's find out. There's only one way to find out. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to just download all that stuff again. Sad. Alright. Okay. Okay. Here we go. It's just 5 files. Maybe 6 files. Hey, no. Wait, what just happened? Yeah, that's not. Wait, what? Why does it exist already? Oh. Oopsies. Okay. Sure. That's fine. Okay. Let's go back. Let's remove this fellow. Let's load an unpacked fellow, which is this feller right here. Reloaded. Okay. Let's go to the extension. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so already this is not what I wanted because I don't want to have a file upload, and I can already tell it's not going to scrape the data that I want. Okay. Not good. This is very bad. I do not want a file upload button. I do not. I need to be able. I want a scrape data button that scrapes that only becomes available when the user is on Yahoo Finance options pages. Alright, let's see here. Okay, so this time I'm also gonna ask it which files I need to download in order to actually get the results I need. You know. Okay, so it is editing the files at least now, which it wasn't before. I don't think it was. Alright, does the pop-up.html now show a scrape data from Yahoo Finance button? Okay, let's see. Does it show that? Oh, oopsies. Does it show that button? Let's find out. Shall we now? Let's see. I see a submit. I see a volatility, but I still see a file upload. Right? No, it does not. You idiot. Okay. Alright, team, please investigate the problem. That sounds great. Okay. Let's see now. This is going to be beneficial for us, my friend. Let's see. I am not sure. Because I still see this file upload in the popup.html. Is there anywhere that I'm looking that maybe is like in the wrong place or what? Because it's popup.html. It's still giving me all the same stuff, the stuff that I don't want to see. Yeah. Huh. Okay. Huh. Alright, well, I guess what we'll do is we'll still download it. Let's see what we have here. Okay. We'll still download all of them. So we need to get the CSS. We need to get the JavaScript. We need to get... Let's see now. Okay. The HTML file, the JSON file. Okay. Okay. And then the content. Alright, so I think now we can just try one final time. Actually, let me ask it. Which files am I going to need to upload in order to actually... Yeah, in order to actually be able to do this. Alright. Which files do I need to upload to Google Extensions? Okay, that's everything that I'll need. Oh, make sure to zip them together. Okay. I mean, I doubt that was the missing link for me, but whatever. Okay. Two. 3, 4, 5. 6. And that's it. Okay. So, I mean, I could try to compress. Alright. Let's see the errors. There should be the same ones. Error parsing, whatever. Same thing. Okay. Alright. Let's load unpacked. Okay, so it wants to load unpacked. Extension loaded. I mean, once again, I will go ahead and assume this is not, yeah, I mean, this is just fucking useless. It hasn't done any of the stuff that we wanted, right? Like, fields not expected, volatility, like, all this stuff. This is just not at all what we want. So this is not right. Not right at all. Okay, it's fine. I mean, look, we were able to get at least something onto the extension. We're able to at least figure that part out, but it's not giving me confidence that it's not updating this popup.html file. I don't know where, like, unless I'm just missing where else it could be. Yeah, this is annoying. You know what we might have to do? We might just have to redo this as a Chrome extension. You know, like just redo the actual part where we just prompt it and say, hey, we need a Chrome extension here. Index.html still has a place for file upload. Do you understand what I want? I want to scrape data, not have a file upload section, you dumbass. Okay, so I have learned quite a bit about this, which is that the data is the biggest piece no matter what, right? So if you're building something like this, you're gonna have to establish a way to get the data that you want. So if I want to build an application that's going to get Yahoo Finance data, I'm gonna have to figure out a way to scrape that data first and figure out the calculation stuff after, because the things like calculation and whatnot, that is not difficult, right? I was able to write that up, or I was able to prompt it to write that up within like 20 minutes. And yeah, so we might have to rework that. Okay, it's editing a ton of files that I don't know why they would need to be edited. Like, dude, don't. Oh, fuck. I told it index.html when I actually meant the. Not index.html. Fuck. Come on. Fuck. Oh, wait, what? What? That's funny. Where is it scraping data from even? I don't know where it's even scraping this data from. Okay, well that's a mistake. That's a mistake on my part. Fuck. Okay, how do I make this smaller? Okay. Now, do the same for popup.html. Man, it is really hot where I'm at. Okay. Um, popup.html. Let's see if it's actually going to do what we need here. Because look, the scrape data on the Flask application actually did look a lot better than I was expecting, right? So, yeah, not bad, not bad. I will keep pushing files around, keep pushing pixels around until this works. Manage extensions, remove this one, load unpacked, extension, options, pricing, calc. Okay, good, nice, dude. At least it's showing the kind of stuff that we want to see, right? Nice. Okay. Now, can it actually scrape data, though? Probably not, right? Yeah, okay. Scrape data? Okay. Use scraped data. Okay. Alright, look, hey. We are in a decent spot, right? I see that, it's at least able to respond to some of the things that I want. It's not quite scraping data for me yet, but, I mean, look, man. This is better than I thought. And somehow, in this thing, oh, okay, what are these errors? Refuse to load the script. Okay, I see. Here we go, baby. Okay, so this is the error that I see. Error from Chrome. Refuse to load the script because it violates the following content security policy directive. Script source self. Note that script source element was not explicitly set, so script source is used as a fallback. Context, popup.html, stack trace. Okay, let's go. Okay. So manifest.json is changing. I'm not sure if anything else has to change, but I cannot take the risk because I didn't write the code myself. So I don't know if any other files will be impacted by this. So we have no choice, my friends, but to do everything over. At least to do the upload parts over. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let us remove this guy here once again. Let's go to Chrome. Let us Oh yeah, wait, hold on. I need to actually load it. Alright. Let's load the guy. Hey! Hey! Come on, brother. I don't know what you mean by this. Alright, nope. Error loading extension. Failed to load extension, file, desktop extension, error, content security policy, that extension page is insecure, CSP value. I don't know what that means. It's probably using some kind of wrong like package for this JS. JSDeliver.net. That's the way you want it. That's the way you need it. Dun 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 dun. What the fuck is chart.js? Alright, editing manifest.json, baby. Okay. So, let's keep this here. Okay. Okay, brother. If you say, oh, do we need to upload any more files though? Ready to share? No. Completed just now. And bundled chart.js with the extension. Okay. What about these package files? I don't know about these package files, you know. Package lock.json. Package.json. Yeah, which files need to be uploaded to the Chrome extension pane now? Like, it might be that this package.json, packagelock.json, I need to download and add those to my thing, right? Because I don't know if my man has this like it says dependencies chart.js. I don't know. Yeah, see node modules / chart.js. Like, where is that stuff? Right. Oh, here we go. Right. Here we go. What about this dist - chart - umg or whatever? Chart dot, yeah, okay, right, yep, right. So okay, I mean, I guess we need to download the whole thing, right? What the fuck? How do I okay, now this is a bit annoying because I'm like okay. Okay, so these 6 and these 3 I know, right? These 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, these 6 I know. These 3 are already in the folder. This I don't understand. Node modules that -chart.js, okay, -dist -chart umd.js. Okay, fine. I mean, I guess it just needs that one. I don't know how that's even possible. I'm so confused. Okay, whatever. Let's just try it. I don't know how that's even possible. let's just try it, mate. Let's just try it. Let's just throw it, mate. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So now we're gonna have 10 files in total in here. Alright. Load an unpacked extension. Let's load this brother here. Let's pin this brother here. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Use scrape data. There is no scrape data. Scrape data. Okay. It's not going to scrape any data. What about here? Okay. Okay. Let's see what kind of errors we get here. Cannot read properties of null. Okay. This is the error that we're getting. Alright, okay. Okay. Error. Why is there a file uploader? Can we remove this? Maybe the file uploader. Yeah, I don't know. I actually have no idea. I mean, I probably shouldn't tell it what to do because I really have no idea what it's doing. But, you know, one cannot resist. Okay. Please fix this stuff. Let's fix the data scraping button. Okay. Look, my friend, I'm gonna go ahead and say you didn't fix shit. But, just in case you did, we'll try again. Calculate what, dude? Yeah. Okay. So, first of all, that's not working. But, second of all, I need to ask it again. Which files are required to get the extension working? Alright, after this, I am going to sign off, though. It's been like 2 hours or something. How long has it been? It's been 2 hours exactly. Alright. That's the way you want it. That's the way you need it. Alright. Chart.js library file. Okay, so... Okay. So I think we're good now. Here. To just keep downloading these things again. Trying one more time. Here we go. Let's try it for the 45th time here. Okie dokie. Okay. We're gonna have to keep this chart.js thing. We'll keep the images, and then we will re-upload these 6. The Magnificent 6. Okay. Take that guy out. Okay. Okay. Scrape data and calculate. Nice. Okay, that's good. At least it's not being done. Okay. Now we have this. No, nothing. Okay. Now we will get an error. Okay. Cannot convert undefined or null into a variable. Okay. Alright, well, we're getting into this error here. I think it's fine. We're gonna keep just trying to hammer through these. I think at this point, I just gotta keep feeding it, right? Until it comes up with something that's workable. But the other route is that I can create a secondary kind of workflow that just tries to scrape the data, and we can do it that way. Okay. Thanks for joining, guys. This was fun. See ya.